What's going on, folks? I'm gonna show you how you would deal with your door. Sometimes you have an issue to where you pop your door like that, it won't pop anymore. So you're supposed to be able to push it in, it pops open like that, and then push it back in to close it. Sometimes what happens is this little piece right here can go bad. So to change this piece out, you can see when you press it in, it's supposed to stay in. When you press it in again, it pops out. But if this goes bad, it's a simple fix. All you have to do pretty much will change out is take you a flathead screwdriver, cut it up underneath there, and kind of press it in to get that piece out. Then you want to come to the top, kind of same process, and do it just like that. The bottom, then you want to come to the and pressing it like that. See, and once you have this out like that, you'll see what you're doing is you're basically pressing down on these little tabs right here. That's pretty much just going into the top and bottom of these holes like that. And once you have those pressed down, you'll be able to pull this whole piece out. Then all you have to do now is just replace this piece. If the rubber comes off of it, you just want to put the rubber back around, like on a new one that you're changing that around it. And all you have to do is just take your new one, push it back into that hole, and snap it, and you'll pretty much be good to go. You can see it pops. Like you press it all the way in, it stays down. All the way out, it stays out. And if this goes bad, most times you won't be able to press your door anymore to make your door pop open or pop close. It's probably the same process on multiple different vehicles that where the gas door won't pop open when you press it in. All right, folks, once again, this is your problem if for some reason your gas door won't pop open anymore. If you have the type that you're supposed to just press on it and it pops open, or when you press again, it closes. What you need is this piece right here, which I believe is like a gas door, a releaser, a popper, or something like that pretty much. But once again, folks, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.